added a totally new solid simulation engine. To access it, go to the new simulation ribbon and turn on solid simulation type. That will add this toggle button to toggle between the current regular ALPHACAM drawing view and the solid simulator view. We also have some information on the simulation project page now. So as the simulator is playing, we report all the tooling information, access coordinates, and the state of the simulator. So if it pauses for a simulation error or stop at tool change or whatever you have selected here, it will be reported here. We have all the regular controls. So reset will load all the new data. Play, step forward, line by line, fast forward will achieve the quickest solid simulation result possible. These controls you'll recognize as ones under configure previously. In addition, we've added a new stop tool change option. There's also new independent control of feed, speeds and rapid, instead of having them all tied into one speed control. So you see it's stopped at a collision, and the parts that collide are highlighted red, so it's very clear to see what's happened, and collision is reported here in the simulation state. If you want non-solid simulation, just turn off the solid simulation type and you'll get the regular quick shade simulation that existed previously.